Alright, so I got out of work early because it was kind of dead because of the weather. And as you can see, I'm driving back in the back of my neighborhood right now. And it's, I mean, it is coming down, but it's wet. It is super, super wet snow. And, I mean, like, we're gonna avoid that stop sign. But, oh, I just slid a little bit. It's really, really wet. We're in, just south of Baltimore, and it's snowing. It is definitely snowing. There's not many people out, but yeah. Cars coming towards me, and I'm filming. So, I mean, it's gross. It's white. It's so white. We're probably gonna slide here a little bit. Ooh, well, not too bad. But like, look at the fence. Look at that. The fence is white. The snow is so wet. The fence is white. It is sticking to the fence. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? God, I love it. Okay. Look at the fence. That's a wood fence. Right there. Alright, well, we've probably got about 20 more hours. Look at that. So pretty. That's a chain link fence. It's blowing and it's wet. Woo. Alright. Well, there's the driving. It's the third, maybe fourth. I guess we'll count this as the third major storm of the year. So, yay!